Student project A18 is going to publish this information to the web service version. First thing we need to do is we need to save the information first. So I'm going to simply go to File, press Save As, and we're going to save this off as a PBIX file. So I'm going to simply call this My First Report. My First Report, and then we press Save. That will actually save the file off to the local disk. The next step in the process is to publish the information. So we have to save it first. If we didn't save it, it would have asked us to save it as we published it. So it's going up to the Home ribbon tab and choosing the little Publish icon. So you click on that icon, and it's going to come back and ask you where do you want to publish it to. These are different workspaces we can publish it to. My workspace is the most common place where we normally store information. So you can select that workspace, and then it's going to come back and start publishing it. So what it did is it actually submitted it to the web service version, and then it came back with this link right here that says, oh, if you want to open it up in the web service version, you can simply click on this link and it would go there. If you already have it open, the web service version on a web browser, you can just go to that web browser and open it up. So in this case, I'll click on this little link right here, and it will actually move over to that particular workspace.